Hi and welcome to this short query elements tutorial. In this tutorial I will demonstrate the toggle filter widget and how to integrate it with the archive widget. Here we have the Elementor page and I have previously added the archive widget. Now let's add the toggle widget. First we need to add a query parameter name. Let's call it sale. Query parameter value should be 1. Next we go to the content tab and enable the search button. We also need to go to the text section. Here we should have yes and no. The prefix should be having a sale. Now let's configure the archive widget. Click on the widget and here we have the query tab. Let's go down to the meta query custom fields section. Here we enable meta query, add an item. As the meta key, you can either enter the key name directly, like so, or click the dynamic tag and select the meta keys dynamic tag. Let's select the meta keys dynamic tag. Here we click again and search for our key. We need to use return name of key, so we don't return the value of the key. Next, compare should be equal. Meta value type should be numeric. Meta value should be query parameter. Here we enter our previously decided query parameter name. Default value should be 0. Type should be number. Now let's update and preview our archive page. Here we have cafes that are not having a sale. So let's toggle. And here the cafes with a sale is shown. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below and have a nice day.